How to make notifications vibrate on default on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make notifications vibrate on default on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points in the top corner and click settings. Here you will find account and not account, this one, notifications. Click on it, and as you see here you will find it vibrate. Click on it and then just click default, and as you see vibrate have been set on default, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.